Welcome to the PhD journey of Almin van Ammerom, titled A Conceptual Framework for the Design and Development of Scholarly Assessment Instruments in Higher Education. I am excited to introduce you to a not so well-known phenomenon called scholarly assessment practice. Imagine being asked to judge a student's learning potential without ever being trained to do so. Now, this is the reality in many higher education institutions, where lecturers, as subject matter experts, are automatically appointed as assessors. They design question papers, develop marking rubrics, and make high stakes judgments, yet are rarely required to undergo formal assessment training. The result? Inaccurate judgments, unfair assessments, lost learning. Now, my PhD study calls this what it is: morally wrong. Sue Bloxham describes the slow shift towards scholarly assessment as an unethical disaster. Richardson echoes the problem. Despite knowing better, she says, we privilege outdated practices because change is hard. My thesis argues that strengthening lecturers' assessment literacy through targeted interventions and digital tools can cultivate scholarly thinking in assessment. My research asks, how can we promote a scholarly approach to assessment instrument design and development in higher education? Drawing from von Bertalanffy's general systems theory, I treat assessment design as a complex, interactive system, a design science activity that requires specialized knowledge, ethics, and reflection. As a pragmatist using design science research, I suggested 6 interdependent, interconnected solutions in the form of artifacts. These artifacts were then developed and tested. They were also evaluated in terms of effectiveness and usability. The outputs of each design science research cycle became then the inputs of the next cycle. These 6 artifacts then culminated into the 7th artifact, which was the scholarly principled practice of assessment instrument design and development conceptual framework, or just simply SPADE. Now, I developed and validated a conceptual framework to guide scholarly assessment design, and I tested it through 4 original interventions. The assessment literacy baseline assessment identifies gaps in lecturers' knowledge, skills, and beliefs. The Scholarly Assessment Instrument Design Workshop cultivates a mindset of continual improvement anchored in the promise of student learning. The Scholarly Assessment Instrument Design and Development application is a principled taxonomy-based digital tool that supports lecturers in developing balanced, scholarly informed assessment instruments. And the SPADE framework interrogates the practice architecture of assessment design to deepen scholarly inquiry and accountability. Together, these 4 interventions provide a structured pathway from assessment illiteracy to scholarly integrity. Now, this study contributes to both theory and practice. Theoretically, it reframes assessment as a scholarly, ethical, and systemic design science activity. Practically, it offers tools and training to improve curriculum alignment, promote valid and fair judgments, embed assessment literacy in academic development, and support real-time evaluation through software application like the Scholarly Assessment Instrument Design application. My work informs institutional policy, enables assessment scholarship, and opens pathways for interdepartmental reflection and growth. Assessment is more than a technical task. It is a professional responsibility grounded in ethics and care. A scholarly assessor is not just trained in taxonomies or rubrics, but actually understands why we assess, how best to do it, and what learning it truly serves. My PhD is not only a framework, it is a movement towards accountable, transformative, and scholarly assessment practices in higher education. Because you know what? Student learning deserves nothing less. Thank you so much for listening.